What's going on YouTube? Phil here with BLP3 Motors. Dude, behind me is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. There are hardly any of these babies on the road, so we got our hands on one. I got Jason with me today, Landers Dodge in Norman, Oklahoma. Big thanks to you guys. Best place to buy a Jeep, Ram, or Dodge. But without further ado, guys, we're gonna go ahead, give you a walk around of the vehicle, show you the inside. This thing is gorgeous, and you guys, I think I may have just found my next truck. Alright guys, so here we got the 2020 Gladiator Overland Manual Edition. This thing will get you all the chicks, and this is the guy to buy the car from you. Now, what if you're a girl?
Man, you're gonna be
and get you all the dudes, all those
yeah,
the JL, JK dudes.
Absolutely. So check this out, guys. So this is gonna have very familiar territory for you Jeep guys. The front end looks just like your JL Wrangler. You're not going to get too much of a difference here, but this one being an Overland, it's got some fancy stuff on it. So we do have the HD electrical group. It's going to have your HID headlights.
That's snazzy.
So you're going to have no storage, being able to see. Got the fog lights in the bumper.
Hey,
tow hooks here up
they
top.
got rid of the Jeep. Isn't there usually a Jeep on the grill? Does it say
no.
Jeep?
No.
Or am I just like a generation behind?
You're a little behind.
Man.
But the JL platform that you guys are used to, yes, has the same exact styling, so nothing too different here. We have 18-inch premium wheels on this with highway tires.
Ooh.
So like, again, it is trail rated, but this one right here, the Overland, is geared more towards kind of highway driving. It doesn't give you all those off-road fancies that you're used to with like a Rubicon or something like that.
I think it's nuts.
But what's cool about this is the only truck on the market where you guys are gonna be able to actually take the roof off.
Oh, that's got the removable roof. Yeah.
Right, and you Jeep guys that are used, and you Jeep guys that are used to the way the Wrangler hardtop is, it's gonna be the same exact thing. You still have your Freedom panels up top, so you can take the driver and passenger off and not have to take the entire top off.
So in theory, the front of the car is pretty much a Wrangler.
It's a Wrangler with a bed, so it's not unfamiliar territory at all.
So okay, so a guy that's shopping a Jeep, why would they want the truck version of the Jeep versus just a normal?
Great question.
You know, normal Jeep.
Great question, because that's exactly what my area was when I was looking to buy a truck. I wanted a Jeep because I'm an off-road type of guy. I'd have four-wheelers and dirt bikes and stuff like that, and I like to take my vehicles out. I also have the necessity to tow stuff. I haul a car trailer and stuff, so buying a Jeep was not really like feasible for me, even though I like the capability. So a guy like me is going to want this because you're going to be able to tow a trailer. You're going to be able to put your toys in the bed of the truck. Any kind of working guy who needs a pickup truck and wants the off-road experience and wants the functionalities of a Jeep is going to be able to get it. This is the answer. If you're stuck between a half-ton truck or a Wrangler, you need to get this.
Yeah,
for sure, 100%. But the doors are also removable, just like a Wrangler. And the hardtop is a lot of people asking about this hardtop here.
It's nice looking.
Exactly, but look at the back. What makes this special sets it aside from the Wranglers is in the back, just like your normal pickups.
Right.
Check out that glass up there, though. It's got the sliding middle portion, just like your normal pickups.
Yeah, I see that.
But it's not powered, so you're gonna have to actually slide it like your old school pickups.
Oh, nice.
It does give you that option, so it's got a lot of truck feel and a lot of Jeep feel too. But everyone wants to know about the bed. The bed of this truck is what makes this special.
All right.
Look at that.
So open that baby up.
All right, so the tailgate is kind of special too, because this one, you're gonna have a soft open tailgate like your premium trucks do.
Right.
But what makes this one special too is we got a dual stage tailgate. So the functionality of this bed, even though it's only like a 5-foot bed, you're still gonna be able to have a lot of use out of it for you guys that are in construction or hauling plywood.
What are you doing like there? What does that do?
So this is your dual stage tailgate. So it's gonna give you 2 different levels. Look at this right here. So we're gonna loop that. Kind of like your old trucks, you used to have the chains and stuff with the Jeep tailgates.
Yeah.
So now you have dual stage.
That helps your weight, dude.
Yep, it's gonna be very, very strong. Nothing's gonna break on there, but you can fit up 10 sheets of plywood in the back of this truck or more and not even have to strap them down. It's gonna go right over the wheel wells and the width of this bed.
Or like 6 bodies.
Yeah. But a little Easter egg too that I thought was really awesome is everybody in the commercials was looking at the launch of them with the dirt bikes in the back and everything like that. So look, Jeep gave you this little Easter egg. If you want to zoom in right here with the dirt bike tires that are indented into the
I see that
into the back of the bed. So you guys that like have dirt bikes, ATVs, and stuff
just in case you guys weren't sure where to put them, those are where the tires go.
Absolutely, I thought that was really neat when we came out with that, especially when it's got a bed liner in there. And
dude, I like the lights on this.
Yeah, with the HD electrical group, it gives you the LED package too. So it's got to be LED tail lights. and
So
stuff
this
like
says
that to be super bright.
Jeep Performance. There's a little badging here.
Yeah, because they're upgraded. This is not stock. This
Yeah.
is something that we ordered in special for this particular Jeep. In the bed though, we also have the lighting.
Yeah, I saw that.
Too, kind of like your Bighorn Ram pickups and your Laramie Ram pickups. You're gonna have that, so you can unload and load your stuff at night. They did have no shortage of tie downs back here. So you got
Yeah, I saw that as well.
D shackles up front.
I kind of like it not
here.
lined.
You know, me too.
It's really bright.
If you're going to be using it, you're definitely going to be scratching it up.
Yeah,
So
right now it's set up in the Pavement Princess function, but yeah.
You want to see a little Easter egg too? A lot of people asking me at the dealership. This Jeep always has fun with their stuff.
Yeah.
So it is Heart 419. A lot of people were asking me at the dealership what that is.
What is that?
So it is the Ohio area code where the factory is, where these things are being built.
I'll get it.
So it's kind of interesting.
That is a little Easter egg. And you got the Jeep badge back here, and then you got the backup camera right there.
LED third brake light on the.
And then is that your toe brake right here?
So you're gonna have your 4-pin flat connector for you trailer guys.
Okay.
You're gonna have your 7-pin round connector right there, so no shortage of trailer hookups.
Okay.
You do have your tow package with this one, with your tow hitch and everything on there. This one also has your backup sensors in it, in the bumper as well.
Oh yeah, I see them right there.
These are not metal bumpers on this one. These are plastic bumpers. But
Okay. Now, hey, at the dealership, do you guys do any kind of modifications there if people want to?
yeah, absolutely. Just like everything else that we do around here, I can do lift, wheels, tires, graphics, light bars, any kind of upgrades you guys are looking for. I'm definitely your guy to talk to. So these change the look of this vehicle 100% when you do a lift, wheels, and tires. And we'll be showing you guys a couple different ones that I've got that are going to be lifted with wheels and tires and everything on it. It totally changes the dynamic of this vehicle.
Nice.
So.
All right, dude. So show us the engine, man.
So right here we got a 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine. So this is very familiar to you Jeep guys. Nothing different, just a bunch of updates and stuff for the newest and latest 3.6. So.
Well, let's talk about the manual 6-speed.
This is made into a 6-speed manual transmission. I mean, it's awesome. The combination is really, really nice. It's nice to drive, super smooth, great gas mileage.
Oh, I believe it.
So you Jeep guys are already used to the V6.
Very quiet.
Very quiet. They've done a lot with this engine over the years. They've really fine-tuned it now. So I was actually a technician for a long time, so I remember working on the early Jeeps with the V6s, with the 3.6 and stuff, and they were kind of clicking and clacking all over the place. They've really fine-tuned this with Chrysler, so
it's gorgeous,
I'm impressed with it.
It's just gorgeous. Guys, I'm gonna show you the inside of this baby now. All right, guys, so here we go. Here's the door, and the doors come off, right?
Yes, they come off.
Walking
Windshield
inside.
Fold down.
Here's a look on the inside. Very standard, right? This is very much like another Jeep, except it's a truck.
Same platform as the JL Wrangler.
You've got the Overland here.
By now.
Oh, dude, this is a stick shift.
It is. It's a 6-speed manual transmission.
Ooh, we're gonna have to have fun with this. Let me give you guys a look at the back seat. All right, here's a look at the back seat. In the door, walking in. It looks like we have some buttons back here. You can control the windows. Right here, you got some ports. You got a AC volt, USB. That looks nice. Oh, you got child seat stuff.
Yeah, and show them how the back seat folds down. What's cool is, unlike the Wranglers and stuff, these seats in the back will actually fold up, so you got a lot of under seat storage on both sides, and this is where they're hiding it. Hard top bag, but you got under seat storage on both sides, but not only do they flip up, you're gonna be able to collapse that and flip them down on both sides too.
Oh, nice, so nice.
This one, check this one out. Look what I found. Check that out. You know what that is?
Is that a speaker?
That is a removable Bluetooth speaker.
Oh, get it, girl.
Because this is absolutely a vehicle you're going to take off-road. You're going to take it camping.
We're going to get this naked.
Yeah, so you're going to want to take this. You can be blasting all your music, playing your radio and everything all over this. And
that's cool.
Put it on the tailgate, and it's designed for
stock?
off-road.
They just come stock with this trim level?
Comes stock with this one.
Is there just one?
Just one.
Okay. Are there any goodies behind this one? Maybe like 1 month payment free behind the next one?
So this one is 45 days to your next payment if you were to take this one out.
That's not terrible.
Not terrible. All right, guys, so there's definitely no shortage of features on the inside of this thing right here. As you notice right off the bat, you got the 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen radio. This one's going to come factory with your navigation. You're going to have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well with this radio. But well, we've ordered this one special because it's got your heated heated seats and heated steering wheel with your cold weather group package.
Well, and it's got cooled seats too.
Doesn't have cooled seats. It's just heated and heated steering wheel.
I lied. I'm making up features, guys.
That would be nice. I haven't seen one yet. They definitely need to add the cooled seat feature.
All right, so what's that media button down there?
Right here?
Yeah.
So just like your JL Wranglers, you're actually gonna have your auxiliary hiding behind here.
Okay.
And your USB and USB-C for you Android guys out there.
So tell me about this manual transmission. I haven't seen very many Gladiators on the road, let alone a manual. Yeah,
this is actually the first manual transmission we've gotten in. I've been extremely excited to see this one because I'm a manual transmission guy.
Yeah.
You got a 6-speed gearbox in this thing. So, I mean, it definitely drives super smooth. I was really impressed with it, driving it around. The clutch engagement's really nice. Definitely, it feels like a toy. Like, I can throw this thing around in the trails and stuff, and it doesn't feel bulky, and it feels really light, and it definitely feels smooth when you shift it. So I'm very impressed with it.
Talk to me about the dash. Is that like a silver dash, or like is it a gray color? I can't really tell from where I'm sitting.
I believe the color they actually used on this is that billet silver metallic, just like your exterior paint that you see on a lot of our vehicles.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know, Rubicon's famous for all that red.
Yeah.
So with the Overland, we're looking more of like style and you know, classiness.
Here's the top, you guys. You guys can see that definitely gets removed, and up here.
It's very easy. It's exactly like you would have on your Wranglers too. It's just you Wrangler guys out there, you know, with the JL style, you're just gonna be flipping these levers and it's gonna be able to just pop right up.
That's really cool.
So they haven't changed anything. It's nothing super complicated. This one has the hard top in the back too. It's just gonna be your standard bolts on the back, a plug that comes out, and you're done. So it's really simple to take on and off, and there is a soft top feature for these as well. So
awesome.
You definitely have some options with some tops, but we've ordered this one with your adaptive cruise control that you've got on here. Your HD electrical group, like I said, it's going to give you these upfitter switches down here so you off-road guys, if you want to put light bars and stuff like that, you're not going to be drilling holes for switches or getting expensive switch panels. It's already ready to go. We got heated seats, heated steering wheel in this one. Looks like we've got stop-start technology that we already talked about, but this 8.4-inch touchscreen is a super nice touch to this, this interior too. I love what they've done with the JL style.
All right, guys, here's a little freebie. We're gonna go banging through some of the gears. Show you guys how smooth it is. It was a pretty light clutch, huh?
Yeah, I'm actually really impressed with the way this thing drives. It's very smooth. The clutch feels good. The transmission shifts right. I mean, it's just very, very comfortable to drive. It's not hard to drive at all for somebody to just jump right in and just drive it.
Yeah, I think it looks, that's a huge freaking shifter. That's what she said.
The big stick.
Yes.
It's really easy to drive this thing. I can daily drive this and not worry about it at all. The clutch just engages perfectly. It's exactly what I would want from a stick shift Jeep.
You should be a hand model for that. Look at that. Form. Boom.
And it's not chunky or like bulky or
it looks.
It doesn't. The shift or like I can almost barely even feel the engagement of it at all.
Yeah.
And the downshift is super smooth too.
All right, guys, so that was pretty much the tour of the Gladiator. This thing is gorgeous. This thing's for sale. Make sure to hit up Jason, Landers Dodge in Norman, Oklahoma. I'm gonna put his number like right there for you guys. Give him a call if you guys wanna pick this up, and if they don't have something like this on the lot, they're able to get it. They have access to like basically anything they want anytime, and it's a pretty quick turnaround process, right?
Yeah, make it super simple.
So here's a little Easter egg, since we like Easter eggs, for the next video that we're gonna do. We're actually gonna take this Gladiator and we're gonna stack it up against a brand new Sahara, right?
Yeah.
And so we'll do a side-by-side comparison so that you guys can see that. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, make sure to leave a comment, guys, and make sure to give this guy a call because this thing is freaking awesome. But guys, we'll see you guys on the next one.